Bonjour, you little nincompoops. I like that word. Typewriter Series number 455 today. And this poem actually kicks off a little PSA from your old Uncle Tyler. The most revolutionary thing you can do, and this is aimed at you, Lady Gregson, my beautiful wife, is self-care. So if your body is telling you to take a nap, or take a day off from your workout, or to eat more calories, or to whatever, go for a walk, or listen to music, or just sit and look out the window, do the things that your body and your soul is telling you to do. And you don't owe anyone any explanations, and you don't have to put any preconditions on them. Do the things that you need to do, because your body and your soul and your heart, they know. So stop taking everything so seriously and just do the things you need to do. Here's your wee paper. It's this weird color of buckskin. Here's your poem. Some days, all you need to do is sit in perfect stillness and watch the shadows of the day creep closer and closer to your waiting skin. That's it. And you can call that a successful day. We don't always have to be accomplishing 10 billion things. Just sit in it. I love ya. See you tomorrow.